Hey everyone, Brian from Bambike here in Manila. I'm going to show you a little bit about what's happening behind the scenes in our workshop, assembling some of our bikes, going through our new electric cargo bike, as well as talking to you about some of the mobility challenges that people in the city are having because of this quarantine issue and the lack of transportation. Stay tuned. Hello, man. So these days we're keeping busy by assembling a lot of new bamboo bikes because the demand is growing and getting around the city is actually a lot easier on two wheels because of the general community quarantine. And what we're hoping to see are more bike lanes and more infrastructure for cyclists so that we can have safer shared roads here in the city. So what I'm going to show you here is our electric Bambike, which is hooked up to a cargo trailer, which enables us to do specific deliveries, moving food initiative pH, as well as getting some plants out into the world. And what we've got here is a 1,000-watt motor with a 48 volt battery, and you've got a full setup here that can go about 70 kilometers in a charge. And yeah, it's got exactly what you need to get around. So my preferred way of getting around the city is definitely on the e-bike, even if you've got to do big deliveries. And yeah, it's just a lot more convenient, faster, and more eco-friendly to get around, and better for your budget. So I'm going to show you here how it moves. All right. So this particular bike can get up to about 40 kilometers per hour in speed and has a range of about 70 kilometers. So depending on what your cargo is, you can be pretty efficient getting around the city, do full round trips. And yeah, if you're interested in the Bambikes, please check out us on social media, and all of our information and how to get in touch to order are on www.bambike.com. I'm Bam Brian here checking out. Take care, ride safe. Ben Brian here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Ride safe. Bambuhay.